One of the most challenging things that I have been struggling with the Reciprocity Project, and I think that this is really normal with a lot of sort of startup-y kind of things or things that you're sort of building on your own, is figuring out how to get revenue. And frankly, I don't know how to do this. I'm not necessarily all that salesy, but the only thing that I could do is just keep going with this and keep pushing forward and trying to look for different things. So I'm really struggling at this moment of trying to figure out how to make sure that this reciprocity project is sustainable. It costs an awful lot of money, and I get really stressed out of thinking about, man, I gotta pay for developers, I gotta pay for people to do, adding on content. And it's a real struggle for me to figure out what is the right sort of combination or how to actually do this without it making it feel like it's kind of sleazy. And, I don't want to be that salesy kind of person that's sort of promoting things. And so I'm struggling with figuring this out. And if you guys have solutions, or if you know, or you want to help out, let me know. It would be really helpful to go on and sort of help, just figuring out how to do this as this is a group effort. I think it's not just me that needs this platform. So if you don't know, the whole story is I'm a professor of innovation. And I thought, so I needed help with writing on some of my papers and stuff. So I thought, hey, I could build some sort of application to help that out. Creates a sort of sharing economy model that's like, car sharing or room sharing and those kind of things. But make sure that it's sort of aimed at helping us work better and making sure that we can, enjoy what we're doing, because it's a real struggle to write and do things. But the challenge that I have figured out, there's sort of twofold challenges with doing these things. Oh, so I created this sort of application and put it out, and there was nothing. And so the challenge that I've been figuring out at this moment is, A, how do you get like people to actually see this thing and sort of follow along? And then B is, how do you get people to sort of care enough that they're going to actually buy some credits or, go on and do different things on it. And it's been a real struggle to figure this out and to find the right audience. And, it's just, at this moment, I'm just sort of venting in terms of like, man, I don't know what the right combination is. And I think that is the important thing, to sort of get the message that I'm just bumbling through this. And hopefully you can see this, and maybe somebody sees this that's doing something similar, or maybe in 10 years from now, somebody else sees this. And it's like, they honestly, they don't know either. And I think that's sort of normal with this. I'm going to keep working at it. But I'm going to tell you that it's a real sort of puzzler to figure this out without being like sleazy. So there's lots of sort of sleazy things that are on the internet, and that's not me. I want to make sure that you do well, and I'm serving you well first, but I'm going to sort of struggle at all these kind of things. If you hear licking in the background, that is Izzy the dog. So that's it at this moment. I'm struggling to figure this out and finding the right combination. There's always things to work in terms of on the platform and make it better. Izzy's going to town at that water. I just don't know how to make this sort of sustainable at this moment. It's a real challenge with doing this sort of after hours and all that kind of stuff, because I got to think about intellectual property issues. And I also, have a reputation and all those kind of things that I want to make sure that you're served and you don't feel like you're ripped off. But, how to do that, I don't know. And I think that's, it's the whole struggle. That's it. So, if you've got solutions, if you want to help out, let me know. I could greatly appreciate it. Everything helps at this moment. So, and if you want to sort of share it with other people that are going, and share this video with other people that are sort of struggling with this as well. Here's this like super, professor of innovation and all that kind of, and I'm struggling too, trying to figure it out. I can't quite get it. So anyways, take care and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.